अब हुआ है वो अब हम मुझे
So this is a metro rail project which has been developed by our mechanical students, and the basic fundamental is in India of late there have been a lot of metro accidents that have been observed, and it's partially due to the failure of the system which is not quite automated yet, and due to collapsing of the tubes and the line. So what we are trying to do over here is we have built a metro model. This is the track of the metro, and we have in between some evacuation point, or as we are calling it, a station. Now if there is an obstacle in between, the metro should send it, the metro should sense it, it should stop over there. Now in case if it has crossed the junction, it should come over this point, and if any obstacle, slowly it should go back and evacuate the passengers near the station or evacuation point. Now in case if there is a fire, it should give an alarm, and in case of fire its speed should increase, and it should again evacuate the passengers in the station. In the same case, if it has already crossed the station, if there is a probability of fire, it senses that, goes back and evacuates the patient. Now if we closely look at the model of the metro, it's got a sensor board inbuilt which has got a buzzer, and if you see very closely, it has got an optical sensor for sensing the obstacles. It has got wheels and two dummy wheels to move the vehicle. It's purely geared motor of 100 rpm being run by 12 volt, and we have a sensor over here which we call the position sensor. Basically, as it crosses the sensor station, basically this LED light which falls on a LDR, this connection gets broken up, so LDR's voltage gets increased, which is being sensed by the microcontroller. The microcontroller that we are using over here is a Arduino board. So basically our connection comes as from train. We have a connection which is of geared motor, second one temperature sensor, third one the LDR that comes to the microcontroller. The microcontroller is controlling a relay board for adjusting the speed, for opening the door, as well as for controlling the LDRs, and this is being powered by a 12 volt power supply. Now let us see the demonstration of the project. Yeah, so as we press enter, the train starts moving. Because the board is quite slow, we have given a smaller speed over here. As it breaks the station, it comes fast, it stops near the station, it goes back, and if in case there is an obstacle, it goes back. Now we'll see the operation more closely.